Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful and trendy women crocheted ring designs. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crocheted ring designs, stylish rings. Beautiful eye-catching designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Please friends, don't skip, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful ring designs in the birthday party or wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of crocheted ring designs, women jewelry, beautiful jewelry designing ideas, you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet. If you want to buy this very beautiful woman crocheted ring design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women crocheted ring designs? So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.